Guys, today's video is about a different kind of giving. Every time we give to people, it doesn't have to be something physical or tangible. It doesn't have to come out of our pockets. There are so many ways in which we can give to people. Um, you can give people your time, you can listen to them, you can lend them a listening ear, you can you can help them with something in their house. If you have some skills, there's so many ways you can help. If you have special skills, you can help somebody. And in this video, um, we were helping one of the kids from our neighborhood with his mathematics. So we gave him a free mathematics tutorial, which lasted about 90 minutes. Yeah, guys. So remember that. Don't think that every time you help somebody, it has to come out of your pockets. You can lend them a hand, a helping hand, or you can give them knowledge. There are so many ways to give. You can give some of your knowledge and expertise. Okay, guys, watch the video now. Okay, guys, I'm helping my friend here from the neighborhood today with his mathematics module. You know, in the Philippines here, they have this modular system right now because of the pandemic. So the students don't have a face-to-face right now with their teachers to help them to explain the subject material. So he's a really nice kid here in the barangay. I know his parents already. So I'll just explain some things here for him today in the mathematics, you know. That's another way of giving back. Every time you help. So in direct variation, this k here will be a constant, right? So in direct variation, the formula here we have is d equals kt. So if we substitute the known values, we will find the k by dividing. We have k equals 30 divided by 3. So what is the answer for that one? 30 divided by 3, the answer will be 10, right? Yeah.